Why some buildings have basements or cellars isn't just about extra space, it's actually about balancing the whole structure so it doesn't sink into the ground like a rock in mud. So, here's the deal. Most buildings are kinda like boats floating on soil, which isn't as solid as you think unless you're on bedrock. To keep a building steady, the underground part has to push back against the weight above, which is why heavier brick buildings often need basements about 5 feet deep. That basement space isn't just for storage. It helps stop the building from sinking and creates that classic look with stoops and fancy staircases you see in older cities. If you've got a timber frame house in America, you usually just need a crawl space for airflow and a shallow foundation. But for steel and concrete skyscrapers, the foundations go way deeper with multiple basement levels to keep everything stable. Root cellars are cool because they're mostly underground with soil piled on top to keep things insulated and heavy enough to hold them in place. This setup works well in damp areas and keeps your stored veggies from freezing all winter. Just remember, if you want steady temperatures all year, you gotta be at least 10 feet underground, which is more like a cave than something you can DIY. One of the biggest mistakes when thinking about basements or cellars is ignoring soil type. If the soil's too loose or wet, your foundation won't hold up, so get a soil test first and use proper drainage systems. Another issue is not accounting for water. Basements without good waterproofing flood easily, so install sump pumps and seal walls right away. The third common problem is building too shallow. If your basement isn't deep enough for the weight of your building, expect cracks and sinking. Digging deeper or reinforcing foundations can fix this. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it easier to get quality work done without the stress. For contractors, it's a great way to find new jobs and grow their business by reaching out to people who need their skills.